He's like, what about me? Sorry. Okay, now one for me. Where's SpongeBob?
Working at the cafeteria right now.
Oh, working at the crowd. Oh, I'm sorry. He's like, why are you even looking for him? Sorry, I'm sorry. Is that a sore subject? What about you? I'm sorry. You're right here. I understand.
I don't watch the show.
Yeah.
Crusty grab, right? Yeah.
All right.
Hey guys, gonna be a line outside these doors.
Okay. Bye.
I used to.
Bye, Squidward. We'll see you later.
I haven't watched it.
Sorry we insulted you. Patrick just looks happy. You don't look happy, Squidward. No? Okay. Alright. Bye. See, babe? It says, I am smiling. The Squidward shirt. What's in there? Oh, the little squid. Or no, the snail. It's like a discotheque in here.
You should tell him that she likes.
Oh, they got the DeLorean too. The DeLorean. Oh, I can see the flux capacitor fluxing.
What the?
See that thing glowing in there?
Yeah.
That's called the flux capacitor. That's what enables time travel. This is the Clogger burger, which is basically just a double crusty burger with bacon. Here we go. That's pretty good for a theme park burger. Good flavor to it. Beef is tender. That's not a bad burger. Hi. You got something on my face?
Oh my god.
Frozen butterbeer all the way.
May exchange model currency for an official ring-off bank. Redeemable at many establishments. Did you have a question? Your decision.
This is a Gringotts banknote.
Stamp on it.
This is a $10. They sell them in 10s and 20s, and they spend just like money all throughout Universal.
Oh, this is where you buy your supplies here.
That's a cool notebook. Harry Potter's Ravenclaw magic, Ellie. Does it have
Almost like
spells
a
in it?
supplies kit.
Symbol. You can hang that on your wall. Oh, that's so cool. See this? Oh, there's the vault.
Quickly! We haven't got all day. I'm supposed to take you down to see the vaults. Let me just get the keys. What was that?
They're Weasley's wildfire whiz bangs. Fireworks from my brothers Fred and George.
Bilvis, what are you doing here?
This is my office, Lordak. The question is, what are you doing here?
I was about to show our new clients the vault. I was just getting the keys.
Ah, well, I moved them. All you have to do is ask. Accio keys.
How did you get in here? We haven't seen
Well,
you since...
don't let me keep you from your tour. I just need to pick up a few things and I'll be on my way. You haven't seen me. Actually, if you don't mind, I'll join you on your tour. We can all leave together. I'll meet you at your cart.
But what are we dawdling about for? Let's get moving. Now, listen to me. The passage to your left will take you to a pair of the lifts. The lifts will take you down to the cart station. There you will board a cart for the journey to the vaults beneath the Gringotts. We'll see you down there. You clear off now. My patience is running thin.
Just a little tip, if you are not interested in riding the rides, you can ask to walk through the queue all by yourself and then get out before the ride starts. Go ahead. And now for the kiddos' favorite store, the candy store.
Chocolate with chili powder.
Ooh,
Okay.
Choco Choc.
You want it?
No.
Okay. It's like a liquid sweet, liquid sugar.
Oh, wow. Just straight up pure sugar, huh?
Yeah, I don't want it.
Oh, look at this. A Butterbeer cart.
And it has butterbeer in it.
Exploding bonbons. I don't know how they explode, but fizzing whizbees. I don't even know what those are.
What's a fizzing whizbee?
I don't know, but it's called a fizzing whizbee.
Oh, it's made with chocolatey fizzy roots.
Oh. A sugar quill. Fudge flies. Those look like chocolate lizards. Hey kiddo, you want an acid pop? That cauldron cake looks cool, babe. The cauldron cake.
I really don't know where I'm supposed to go.
Anybody there? And now we are going to go watch The Bourne Stunt Spectacular, which has come highly recommended. That was awesome. Did you like it?
Yes.
What was the best part?
I don't know. I don't have a favorite part.
The chase scene. The helicopter scene was pretty cool to watch them do that. Then transition to all the screen. It's like a filmed on a big giant screen, like the volume that they do for The Mandalorian. But then it mixes with live action and explosions and you get wet. That's a cool show. So one of the locations you can get an icy with your refillable cup is here, next to Rip Ride Rocket. And that's gonna do it for our rainy day from Universal. What do they need to do?
Like and subscribe.
What don't I do?
That does not show, so that's it. Bye.
Bye!
At this point in the video, I just want to say thank you to each and everyone who is a member. Your guys' support means a whole bunch to us. You're the best.